Alright, while you're talking, why don't you say hi to your grandmas? Say hi. You done talking because the camera's on? Say hi. You swimming? There you go. You saying hi? Say hi. Yeah. Is that a ceiling fan? Talk to the fan. Talk to the fan. Are you talking? Are you talking? There's Daddy. Yeah.
Come on, Lacey.
Daddy's interrupting your video.
When do you get down? Get.
Cyrus.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We're making a video for the grandmas. Say hi, grandmas. Yeah. You looking at the phone and talking? That's a serious face. You got something serious to say? Oh, okay. You done talking? You show them how your 3 to 6 months fits? Say, I'm big. Look at that. Say, I am big. Tell them how big you are. Okay, say bye. You waving. You're waving with 2 hands.
Take your shirt off and feed that baby.
Okay. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye, grandmas. That's a good bye. You smiled and said bye. Yeah. Do you love your grandmas? 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 Yeah, you do. Yes, you do. Yeah. Okay, we're going to show them the video now of your little cuteness. Okay. Bye-bye, grandmas. Bye-bye.